Hi there. Today we'll show you how to integrate Kernel with your Vercel team through the Vercel Marketplace. Kernel is a browser automation platform that gives developers programmable browsers with powerful features like stealth mode, persistent profiles, and live view capabilities. First, navigate to the Kernel integration in the Vercel Marketplace. Click Install to add Kernel to your Vercel team. Then click to accept the terms and conditions and then create your new Kernel account. Next, select your pricing plan. Provide a name for your kernel installation, then click Create. Vercel will automatically provision a kernel account, organization, and API key. And if you already have a kernel account with the same email address, it will be linked automatically. Connecting to a project will automatically sync your kernel API key to your Vercel project's environment variables. For now, we'll hold off on connecting to a project, but you can go ahead and make the connection here if you'd like. And that's all it takes to use the power of Kernel's cloud browsers in your AI Vercel projects. And now here's a quick demo showing how fast and easy it is to deploy a serverless browser automation app on Vercel using Kernel. On the Vercel new project screen, we set the Git scope and name our repository. After clicking Create, the project initializes in seconds. Next, we add the Kernel integration. We click Connect, confirm the environments, and complete the setup. With the integration connected, Vercel automatically deploys our Next.js application. Once deployment completes, we can navigate to the live application and click Create Browser to instantly spin up a Kernel cloud browser. After clicking Run Automation, Kernel will execute the browser automation script showing the quick execution time and capturing the resulting output. And just like that, you've got production-ready browser automation running at scale with Kernel on Vercel.